Hello, Photon. Again, I ran into some trouble, and of course, you are the one who could be the savior. Where is it? A bit messy here. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I drew a font here, very pixely. This is space, and what I want to do now is to make the font, which works in this black appearance, great, everything fine. I wanted to change it into a colored one. So I have here kind of an imitated copper bar, and I even moved on, getting rid of the pixels and into, yeah, you see it, into lines. I connected the lines. And this here, importing it, didn't work. So this is what I'm heading for here, you know? This is what I'm heading for, the copper shady colors into the font. Only two colors showed up, this one here, this one, and I guess this one. Those two colors showed up in my example. The rest not. Or a black, there was a black, yeah. And I tried out several things, didn't turn out good. And then I wanted to test this in the demo environment, and I went back to this font, to the early font, but pixeled here. My goal, it's the copper shade with those four colors. It's not a copper shade, you know what I'm talking about. The effect of a copper shade, you know. And on the right side here of the space bar, I put in the whole color palette, except of EEE. It's not a white, it's EEE, my background color. And you know, that's the background color. But the following 7 colors are exactly those ones here. Just to check how those colors, which work well here, how they appear or transform into the demo environment. Yeah, we are back in the EFF converter as we had it in Deluxe Paint. We have it now in the EFF converter. You see, palette, the aimed effect here. And what did I do? Raw blit, and behind, as you said, I mark the whole thing here, as I did it so many times before, until asking you. Usual values here. Okay, and I save it in the parent directory. Grid pics color test, yeah, this one here. Override it. Okay, and leave. We are now in the assembler, and just get into the source code. The font dimension, the height is now 62, although I realized it doesn't matter if I change it or not. No, it's not. It's, wait. Wait. Color test, oh no, 135, okay. Back. It was another font. I expanded the font in the later run. Okay. Let's go down. That was here the color test. And anything else to change? I don't think so. I was wondering if this one is overwriting my color palette, which is at the end of the exported EFF converter file. But the result is, wait, it's not line, which was the later result, but it's the early version, because with the pixels you can test the palette better. Okay, and now let's run. And you see, everything is displayed fine in black and white, although it's a bit blurry. And wherever we have this space, we see a reduced color palette. Now it's a bit shaky. Let's go, I would say, back to this example and have a look here. See? What I have of my color palette is only the lightest blue cyan value and the darker one. The rest, I have two more greenish, bluish values do not exist. It's just black and two of those colored values. And of course, somehow it has to do with remapping colors, but I don't know really what to do. I tried out several things, but you know, this is the dead end where I'm again. By the way, see my new trashy font logo. Yeah, okay. So I hand over to you, and would be great to hear something from you. Thank you.